Hey Chris, my name's Angelica, and I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today that would help impact your business immediately. I'm a local business owner that helps plumbers bring in more business, and we know times are tough right now. We just want to help anyone out that needs more business. So we're going to share these 3 free tips. If at this end of this video you find that we have some tricks up our sleeves that we can help you guys out, we love to chat. But if not, if you just want to take these tips and do it yourself, no harm, no foul. So we'll just get right to it. The first thing is content. Uh, you want to have at least 1,500 words to be optimized with Google. This is what we found that you guys have set up on your Google My Business. Donnie Holland's Repair Plumbing. Got a picture, some testimonials, and pictures. So one of the big things with the content when we build out a site is you want to have at least 1,500 words, and part of those words being the actual words people are searching for. And so we help with that work. We build it out. For example, plumbers or plumbing, Lubbock, Texas, you want to know the highest ones. And so essentially in our area, when we pull that up, this is what we're seeing. So with this section here being called the map pack, that is your business name, address, and phone number that's registered in directories. Yelp.com is one of them, yellowpages.com. So when you create one of those citations, that's part of how Google gives you the authority to show up in this section. You want to have at least 200. Did some back-end work for you guys. You guys have 21 so far. So where you're registered, that's definitely important because that's part of 20% of your business, people looking up your name and number for your services. So we help out with those keywords, the citations. The last thing is the backlinks. So if we kind of compare your with your competition, this is another paid system we use called Ahrefs. And basically it's just showing more or less of how your website's performing. You've got J. Young Plumbing. They're definitely taking the lion's share of business in our area. They've got 857 keywords throughout their site. That's basically saying they're bringing 206 people to their site every month. So, what would 200 more customers a month do for your business? So definitely a difference. We can certainly help you guys out with all this information, help you build out a website, and get you the right step and process. So if you guys want us to help you out, just contact us back here at 806-317-2466. Again, my name's Angelica. Love to hear from you. Thank you.